Welcome to Cute Easy Drawings.
Let's create and play. Together we can draw every single day.
3, 2, 1, start! I'll guide you step by step, so grab your pencils and markers, and let's get drawing together. This drawing is super cute, and it's really easy to follow. Subscribe to Cute Easy Drawings.
Hiya.
I love how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it. This is such an easy and fun drawing. You're going to love it. Every step makes this drawing cuter and cuter, doesn't it? It's so much fun adding all these little details to make it look even cuter. coloring. Now, let's add some color to make it come alive. This is the fun part. Let's use bright colors to make it even more adorable. Don't worry if you go outside the lines. It's all part of the creative process. Remember, you can choose any colors you like. Make it your own. Wow! Look at how amazing it turned out with all those colors! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.